Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying core prerequisites. Bedrock 1. 21 behavior, at least 3 villagers with valid beds and workstations, and a clean spawn volume. First, remove stray blocks inside the 2x2x3 golem spawn area so a golem can appear. Next, reposition the villagers to their posts and ensure workstations are linked. This keeps gossip and panic mechanics working. Once done, make sure the village center and claimed beds are steady before building the golem funnel and collection channels. Now you build the funnel. Shape water streams or slabs so iron golems are guided to one kill shoot. Use soul sand, signs, or trapdoors to control flow. The aim is deterministic movement to the collection drop. Position a zombie or equivalent panic source so villagers see it but cannot be reached. This triggers golems spawning reliably. Make sure ceilings are at least 2.5 blocks where needed to prevent non-golem spawns, and confirm that light levels in pathing won't divert golems off the funnel. Finish by installing hoppers into chests and the chosen kill mechanism, lava blade, fall shaft, or magma, and confirm items flow. AFK at the recommended distance of about 24 to 32 blocks so villagers stay active but spawns control remains on. Test for 5 to 10 minutes. You should see iron and poppies. If nothing spawns, check villager schedules, ensure each villager still links to a workstation and bed, and verify there's no extra spawnable space within the village area. Adjust panic source position until consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.